Singapore's aging fast. Over 600,000 seniors now. And institutional capital is finally waking up to senior living real estate. But most of you are still chasing the same old condo playbook. Let me show you what's actually shifting in the market. Here's the reality after 20 years in this business. Developers have always favored standard condos because the math is faster and the exits are cleaner. HDB upgraders, young professionals, foreign investors, senior living, they got left behind. Land's expensive in Singapore. Zoning's complicated and margins look thinner. But watch what's happening now. Global institutional money, massive players like M&G are repositioning capital away from generic residential into purpose-built healthcare and senior living assets. That's not a trend, that's structural. When institutional money moves, Singapore follows, always does. Here's what I'm seeing on the ground right now. Quiet activity in areas like Jurong and the eastern fringes. First movers testing the space, but here's the disconnect nobody's pricing in yet. Demographic reality versus capital allocation. There's genuine upside if you understand the difference between a generic condo and a purpose-built senior living asset. Better rental yields, lower turnover, institutional grade tenants, steady dividends. This isn't glamorous, but it pays. For upgraders and buyers, stop chasing CCR, assuming it's safer. Look at neighborhoods with aging populations and strong MRT plus medical infrastructure. Bukit Merah, Marine Parade, Tanjong Pagar. Secondary demand from senior living operators could reshape these areas in 5 to 10 years. For yield investors, the play isn't speculating on senior living projects. There aren't enough yet. The play is understanding which neighborhoods will benefit from the shift. Healthcare-linked residential commands premium rents and lower vacancies than standard apartments. That's demographic arbitrage most investors aren't seeing yet. If you're thinking about your next move, whether it's buying, selling, or investing for yield, you need to understand how this shift changes property selection and neighborhood strategy. Senior living isn't just policy, it's capital allocation. And capital allocation is where real returns live. Let's talk about your portfolio. Message me on WhatsApp at +65 975 01055 or visit keiththenbunki.com. I'll help you position ahead of this shift.